Good morning, good learning everyone. This is your Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. For the past few days, we're so blessed by our Heavenly Father. Puro closing deals at down payments po tayo sa ating mababait na buyers. Pag wala naman po tayong tripping, site visit muna tayo sa ating townhouse project. So here are our 5-unit townhouse in Quezon City. We build 2 units muna as our model unit and we're so blessed na bukod sa nabenta na po ang dalawang ready for occupancy model units natin, nabenta na rin po ang remaining 3 units na itatayo pa lang. Bukod sa pagiging broker, may mga affordable townhouse din po tayo. At may mga developers po na kinukuha tayong partner at exclusive marketing arm sa kanilang mga projects. Kaya we invite po ang aming kapwa brokers at agents to sell our townhouse projects kasi marami po tayong townhouse na ibebenta ngayon 2025. Ilagay lang po nila ang kanilang pangalan at email address sa comment section below at isasend po namin ang mga details. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless po sa ating lahat.